Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off disappearing messages on Viber. So to start, you need to open Viber app first. Then once you open Viber, click on more at the bottom right corner. Next, once you click on more, scroll down and look for settings. Then tap on settings. Next, what you need to do next is to click on privacy. So go to privacy. Then from here, tap on disappearing messages by default. So open it. And what you need to do to turn it off is just to click off button. So click on off and that's it. It is now disabled. So again, a quick recap, just go to more at the bottom right, then scroll down and go to settings. Then from here, just go to privacy, then tap on disappearing messages by default and just turn it off. So new chats or new messages will not disappear automatically anymore. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.